Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we are going to start for the lecture number 26. That is from chapter number 1. We have fundamentals of chemistry and the topic that we are going to discuss it is the mole mass calculation. So let's have a look at what type of mole mass calculations we have. Mole mass calculation. We can find the mass of a substance from the given moles. So how we can find the mass of a substance from the given moles? The formula we have moles is equal to mass in grams of the substance divided by मोलर mass. तो ये हमारे पास सिंपल फॉर्मूला है कि हम लोग मोल्स को यूज़ करते हुए mass in gram कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं या फिर mass in gram से हम लोग मोल्स कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इन द प्रीवियस सेक्शन हम लोगों ने क्या किया था कि मोल्स को फाइंड किया था फ्रॉम द mass. नाउ इन दिस सेक्शन वी विल फाइंड द mass of a substance in grams by rearranging this formula. Mass in grams is equal to moles multiply by molar mass. तो ये है हमारे पास फॉर्मूला कि mass in grams को हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इजीली मोल्स में. इन दिस सेक्शन वी विल बी एबल टू कन्वर्ट mass into moles, and in the second section we will be able to convert moles into the mass. So these are the two simple formulas. So let's have what type of example we have to solve this. The first one numerical we have, there are 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide that are present in a container. Now how we can calculate the number of moles and its mass? So first of all we have to convert the number of molecules or the number of particles into moles, and then we will be able to convert moles into the mass. So we have to find the mass. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, गिवन डाटा लिखेंगे. गिवन डाटा में हमारे पास कौन कौन सी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं. वी हैव गिवन डाटा दैट इज नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, और नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स हमारे पास हैं 3.01 इंटू 10 रेज पर 23. These are the number of molecules. Next we will find the molar mass of carbon dioxide. How we can find the molar mass of carbon dioxide? The carbon, its mass number is 12 plus oxygen 16 multiplied by 2. We will get 12 plus 32. So we have 44 atomic mass unit for the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, its molar mass is 44 atomic mass unit. In the first section, we will find the number of moles. मोल्स को हम लोग मॉलिक्यूल से कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. मॉलिक्यूल्स 3.01 10 raised power 23. So we have the formula for moles is equal to molecules divided by एवोगैड्रोस नंबर. अगर हम लोग मॉलिक्यूल्स को एवोगैड्रोस नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे देन हम उसको मोल्स को फाइंड कर सकेंगे. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं 3.01 इंटू 10 रेज पावर 23 divided by Avogadro's number, that is 6.02 into 10 raised power 23. By cutting out that 10 raised power 23 with the 10 raised power 23, now we will find the division. 3.01 divided by 6.02, we will get 0.5 moles. So moles we have 0.5 moles. So now we will convert these moles into the mass of substance in grams. So we will divide the section like this. Formula to find the mass in gram, we have mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So moles are given as 0.5 multiply molar mass, that we have 44. So by multiplying 44 with 0.5, we will get 22 grams. It's mean if we have 3.01 10 raised per 23 molecules of carbon dioxide, then it is having total zero point 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide and 22 grams of carbon dioxide. So next we have the numerical number 2. Calculate the mass of chlorine gas. Its formula is Cl2. It is having zero point 0.2 moles of it. Now the moles are given and we have to convert it into the mass in grams. So the given data we have moles of chlorine. Moles is equal to zero point 0.2 moles, and next we have molar mass of chlorine Cl2. For one chlorine atom we have mass number is 35.5. By multiplying it with 2 we will get 71 atomic mass unit. So by applying the formula we have mass is equal to moles multiply by मोलर मास। तो मास को फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग मोल्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विद द मोलर मास। तो इसके लिए हमारे पास मोल्स 0.2 multiplied by molar mass that we have 71. So by multiplying 0.2 with the 71 we will get 14.2 grams. It's mean if we have zero point 0.2 moles of chlorine, it is having 14.2 grams of mass in it. So this is all about that. We have convert moles into the mass. And if you guys have any questions, you can ask me about that in the next section. Thank you so much.